We started with 2 cans of apple pie filling. Go ahead and smooth that out all over the bottom of your baking pan. Just like that. Oh, it's gonna be so delicious. I have some caramel here that I'm gonna pour all over the top of these apples. Wow, you guys, look at that. That looks amazing. That caramel is just dripping out. It's gonna go so good with the apples. Grab yourself some cake mix. Now here I went with the super moist French vanilla because I love the super moist cake. And also I think this is gonna be very good with the caramel and the apples. You could always switch up the kind of cake mix. And if you would, tell me all about it. I wanna know. Now we'll just go ahead, we'll take our hands and just evenly spread the cake right there over the top, just locking in the caramel and the apples. Yes, that's exactly what I'm talking about right there. Grab yourself a stick of butter and you'll just kind of quickly place little slices of butter right here on top of this cake mix. Just quickly going all the way through. When this butter melts, it's going to moisten up that cake mix and then it's going to sink down into the rest of it and it is going to be buttery, delicious, and so super tasty, you guys. This is my favorite apple crisp to make, and it is just, 'tis the season, right? So we're getting started over here. Now to top all of that off, I have some cinnamon sugar. I just threw together some cane sugar and a little bit of cinnamon. And you can see I'm just gonna heavily sprinkle this all over the top because I love cinnamon sugar with this apple and this caramel. It just brings all those flavors together. So I have that and I'm not being stingy with it at all. I'd say that is good for the cinnamon sugar. And there we have it, you guys. That is it. Now check this out. You can already see the layers of that apple, and then you have the caramel. We have that cake mix and the butter on top. Ooh, it already smells delicious. I know it's going to just make the house smell absolutely incredible. And I would make this whole thing just for that reason alone. So we're gonna stick it in the oven at 350. It's gonna cook for about 35 minutes and wait until you see how it comes out. It is going to be delicious. Ooh wee! Look at that apple cobbler. Oh my gosh. Look at the way that the caramel kind of bubbled through. You can see the cinnamon sugar on top. It smells phenomenal. Holy cow, you guys. Let's get right in here. I want to just get right in the front. I let this cool down a little bit so be ready to dig into. I can just feel the caramel and oh, look at that. It's crispy on top. I'm just gonna dig, look. I'm speechless. Wow, I'm gonna come right in here with my plate. You guys, I can see the caramel right inside there. Do you see that? Look at that cake, the caramel. Wow, that came together so perfectly. And look at how clean that piece came out of the bottom of the pan. I'm super impressed. We have a little bit of apple, a little bit of caramel, and some cake right in here. Wow, I'm stoked about this. You guys, this is it. Right here, this is where it's at. We got some caramel apple pie filling, or apple pie filling. Then we got the caramel, we got the cake, the butter, the cinnamon sugar. People would think that this is homemade. This tastes amazing. All right, you guys, you gotta try this. Let me know how it is after you try it, because this one right here, I say this is a winner. Delicious.